Oh, it's frustration. It's frustration.
Here, put words in your mouth. But where I can just tell you guys the last email about Mr. Neely, who was trying to log in to enter the program today. That's why Judge Mark and I had a conversation about all of this in the past couple of weeks. So, in fact, Tyrus Neely, it was on today's docket. That's why.
The sovereign citizen.
P.
Looks like the word.
All right, I got her.
Here, yeah, the 4.
Ms. Savannah, are you going forward today without an attorney? You've made a deal with the prosecutors. You plead responsible to double parking. Both original charges from, no, 3 original charges from July 20 would be dismissed, and you've agreed to pay fines at cost of $186. That's a nice round number. Can you pay that today? What's going on, buddy? Price is right. All right, I'll do that. I'm gonna do the double parking on the A ticket. All right, just go downstairs and pay that. We'll dismiss these and get you on your way. You guys have a great day. Bye, dude.
Filings be flagged for Mr. Crowley to review for entrance to Operation Drive.
All right. Ms. Dixon, you owe us $200 on another file. Can you do something with that one? Some kind of payment plan?
That was the notch. Well,
No, it's a registration or plate.
the default that came with this one, right?
Yep, the B. Yeah. Can you make arrangement on that one today? Yeah. Okay, do that before you leave the building. Other than that, just have a seat and we'll get you notice for the September 24th court date.
I don't have a date, I have nothing.
Okay.
So the way it's supposed to, I just.
I'm just gonna put it when they.
So it's supposed to be scheduled for the next pretrial date. There's 2 paths.
Then why you gave me September 24th?
I gave, because I'm here.
Okay, yep, then I'll do that, okay.
So the way it works is there's 2 ways that somebody's in, either we declared right here and now that they're eligible, which I'm not really sure how we would do it in advance. Or when they come in, we're scheduled for a normal pretrial, then flag the file to be sent to Ms. Crowley. She then determines if the individual is a good candidate for Operation Drive.
Okay,
Then
but
let's say we get back to the 24th and she got 19
Right.
racing tickets, we say, sorry, not good.
right. But the problem is nobody's telling the courtrooms how this all happens.
Well,
And we've-
that's why we have Josh.
And I'm reading, yeah, and I just pulled up the last internal email we had.
Which is great if you're having to be the one standing there with the defendant, but if it's somebody that doesn't have you standing next to them, I have no idea what the parameters are, so I can't help anybody with our Operation Drive. And I've asked for at least a month and a half for some parameters, so maybe you can send that message to the probation department, because I can't use Operation Drive without more information.
Who chooses these people?
I have no idea.
So I think,
It's not my program, I don't know idea.
give you a quick nutshell. So if an individual has a license that's suspended for a non 2 DWI or 3 DWI.
Right.
Tickets, points.
Right.
They would like to try to pursue getting their license. We don't have their Secretary of State record on hand.
Right.
So we say, let's send you for review.
So
Mr.
the attorney
Rowley,
makes that choice.
I'm sorry.
The attorney makes that choice.
Or the
It's reached by Judge Martin, myself, and Mr. Rowley if it's a tough one. The Operation Drive program makes.
But how does that help me when I'm standing, I got a defendant standing there who's suspended and they want to fix their license. What do I do with them?
You're adjourning it to the next hearing date with that same attorney, and then you say, flag this file for review
So
for
the
Operation Drive.
Attorney is supposed to know that, because judge.
I'm talking about unrepresented people.
That's what I'm saying, that's what.
Right.
I'm asking. How is he supposed to ask these?
They don't have an attorney.
They need to go speak with one if they would like to pursue Operation Drive, unless you want to explain it to each person and talk about the nuances and what they would have to do.
Okay, that's it. All right, then I'll tell them
I'd say if you would like to pursue Operation Drive, go
to
sign.
talk to attorney. So all the MIDC attorneys know what's going on.
I don't even know who all MIDC is, but.
That's my problem.
But
Exactly.
we don't need every MIDC attorney feeding that program, every single person qualified for it. We could take all 100 cases a week that probably.
So, okay, so the defendant is lucky enough to be here when you're here, gets Operation Drive, and the guy that's not,
Tim, I think Tim's put more people into it than I have, so.
All right.
I'm not here much, so I mean,
Okay.
it's other attorneys are doing it, but where the disconnect is, I understand the court's like frustration with it, but my only, or not frustration, but
Frustration. Frustration.
Here, put words to your mouth.
Yeah.
But where I can, I can just tell you guys the last email about Mr. Neely who's trying to log in to enter the program today. That's why Judge Mark and I had a conversation about all of this in the past couple of weeks. So, in fact, Tyrus Neely, who was on today's docket, that's why he's back on today's docket. So put a plea in so we can put him into.
Okay.
We'll have him. We'll
All right.
sit everybody down. I think it's the only way we can throw it.
All right. So you're waiting for a notice, right? Just have a seat.
Yep.
All right. And
I'll log in with Carney right now, and then Mr. Neely,
Mr. Neely's on Zoom.
he should be joining.
All right. We'll watch.
On Zoom is because it was just for the operation.
We'll watch for Mr. Neely.
Asking these people who are jumping in as iPhones and no phone, I don't know who they are. I have somebody trying to jump in now.
That's probably Mr. Neely, I just don't know.
Okay, I'll give them to you.
Yeah.
I'm not asking them.
And once again, I saw his name on the docket today, I'm like, okay, so something got, I don't think he had any notice that he was supposed to do today. If he got mailed out, and I didn't realize it was set back today. All right, you can grab a seat, you're good.
Fernandez, Garduno.
Actually, you're good to go. This is.
Wait just a minute. Council, come on up. We'll get you out of here. Back on the record with Mr. Dumas. Mr. Williams.
Hi, it's Marcus, manuals on behalf of the Vermont. I'm assuming Sister Johnson, it is the board, investigating the noise of any kind that brought the attention of neighbors, to be breaching the peace.
It's a BB gun.
There's, honestly, the Ron police shot.
How close are your neighbors?
The walls,
That's pretty close.
that bad.
All right. Maybe they're just trying to give him a break instead of charging with hunting outside of the season. Because squirrel season ain't open now. All right. Are you satisfied? Okay, I'll accept the plea. What should I know before I set terms?
Mr. Law, very with his community, with assisting residents there, cuts grass and mow the lawn, with up to 5 to 6 residents. I think it's this individual, place when this be law, I guess he stopped mowing their lawn, and it's a little bit of a neighborhood dispute type thing.
No good deed goes unpunished.
Yeah, but the phone to his persons, he does very well by his community.
Yeah.
He's trying to assist the community.
All right. You working?
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Council. Where do you work? Where do you work?
Well, I'm the horticulturist.
All right. How long you been there? Okay.
I do want to put all my yards.
You don't get enough lawn work on the job.
No, I don't do any lawn work at all. There's no grass. It's all garden. Beautiful.
Okay. 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 All right. Anything else? Okay. All right. I can do zero cost, or I can do more, $145 or more. So I'm going to charge you the minimum, $145. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs and talk about your options. All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Oh, and stay out of trouble for 3 months.
Guarantee that.
The Sovereign Citizen.